In this video, I'm going to be opening up this package that has 5 ancient artifacts in it. They're very interesting and awesome pieces of history, so join me in this video as we unbox and see what exactly these items look like. So as I mentioned in the introduction, I have 5 ancient artifacts that are in the package right here that I'm going to be unboxing on camera here. I've been excited to receive these because I won them at auction and they're really cool, unique items that I've been wanting to add to my collection. So let me get the recording started here. We'll get right into this. I'm very excited to open this up. I've been wanting these, as I mentioned, for a while. I'm not going to keep all of them. I am going to be selling some of them. So if you're interested in buying items like this, of course, check out my website where you can purchase items like this to add to your own collection. So let's get right into it here. Of course, I want to be careful. I always enjoy opening up these packages because you never know how somebody's going to package everything up. But I'm excited to get right into this. Now, these items are very similar. And so we'll see what they look like. Hopefully I can get a better angle here of the items. Okay, looks like we got another box, smaller one on the inside, which is good. That is a really good sign of packing items, is having a box within a box that will prevent the item from being damaged directly while being transported. So let's go ahead and open up this next one. Now, if you've watched my YouTube videos for any amount of time, you'll know very quickly that I collect primarily Bibles and manuscripts. However, in this video, I'm unboxing ancient artifacts. I do dabble in artifacts, and I'm a huge fan of them. I want to be really careful because they are very fragile. Set that box down there. Looks like they just had them rolled up here. Okay. So we'll just do, of course, one at a time and see what each one looks like. They're all similar but vary in degree. So we'll check out this one here. Let me get my camera lowered just a little bit more. So we'll do this first one. Now, if you can't tell at this point, this is an ancient oil lamp. Now, all of these lamps are likely from the Hellenistic period or Roman era, even Byzantine type era, but these are ancient oil lamps that date to the 1st century BC all the way up to maybe the 5th century AD. Very common type of pottery. So again, I will be selling some of these, and I will actually likely do a giveaway with one of them for my future video coming up where I went to Ephesus and walked the footsteps of the Apostle Paul. So be sure to subscribe to the channel to not miss that giveaway so you can partake in it if you so choose. Now, that first one came out real easily. I'm a little bit wary of how to open up these extra ones because I can't see real clearly where they are folded up. But of course they vary in size. So this one looks like to be the smallest of the collection. So here's this tiny little oil lamp here. It's really awesome to look at these genuine pieces of history and just think about the people who owned these and who had these in their homes. And this would have likely sat on a table or in somebody's room and shelf, wherever it may have been, illuminating their house at night. Just an awesome piece of history. So we'll set that one down there. Let's see if there's a simpler way to open this one up here. Okay, looks like here. This one seems to be one of the larger ones. Oh yeah, that one's really cool. Wow. This one has what looks to be a horse of some kind, but even has possibly wings there. So that's really, really cool design. I might have to keep this one for my personal collection. This is really, really interesting. My goodness. Wow. And this is what I love about unboxing, is when you see them in person, it has a much different effect and impact. When I bought these online, because it was a collection of 5 of them, it was difficult to see all of them up close. I think they only had like 1 or 2 pictures of the collection, maybe even just 1. And so let me get rid of some of the excess here. Sorry, I'm not trying to drag this out by any means. I'm actually trying more than anything to be extremely careful that I don't, one, knock the ones that are currently here on the table off. Let me adjust this a little bit more so you can actually see the smaller ones, or the ones that are already opened up. But I won't. So I don't want to damage the ones that are already opened, but I also don't want to accidentally cut myself or damage the artifacts. So if you can't tell, I don't know if I've mentioned it already at this point, but they are all oil lamps, but they are different types and different styles from a wide range of history. Now, dating these will be far more challenging than my manuscripts. I have more expertise in manuscript collecting than I do in ancient artifacts, but I have some good resources that I can reach out to and look into to get a more precise date. But the date that's given to them is pretty common, especially for oil lamps. They're not the most unique items in the world, but they are still rare and valuable items. Okay, there's this one here. That's really cool looking and interesting. There's a lot more harsher angles on that one, very different from the other oil lamps that I've shown you so far, especially you got this larger tail up here so far. This round one has the tail which goes up like that, but this is really cool. They almost remind me of spaceships, so it's just interesting. All right, we've got one more left here. Again, I'm not trying to prolong this necessarily. I'm trying to be gentle and careful with the artifacts. So yeah, I am a big history buff. I love learning about all kinds of history from all periods of the world, mainly like biblical, ancient type history, and then medieval history. Huge fan of it. So when I went to Ephesus, of course, I wanted to do a biblical site. So that's where I went to see Ephesus, where Paul walked. Very interesting video. I'm excited to release it, but I want it to be a good one, so I'm spending a lot of time editing that and making sure it's as best as possible. And so again, I'll be doing a giveaway with one of these, so be sure to subscribe to my channel to be able to get a chance at winning one of these amazing oil lamps. That one is really cool looking. It's much flatter than the other ones. Actually, it appears to be the flattest among the 5. So these are the artifacts, the 5 ancient oil lamps. I do have one other oil lamp. I believe I filmed a video on it already that I'll be releasing in the near future, but that video is for an oil lamp that dates to the time of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. So a very old oil lamp, different style, but these are the oil lamps. I'm very happy with them. Like I said, off the bat, based off just looking at these, I'm probably going to keep the one to the left here because it's a beautiful and cool design on there, but I'll likely be selling all of these for here, except giving one of them away. So really only be selling 3 of them potentially, but really cool ancient artifacts. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I try to make them interesting, as enjoyable as possible. So if you find this content interesting, again, subscribe to the channel, help support what I do here. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.